Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the eFootball app crashing the second you tap the icon or closing itself before the kickoff even loads? Here's the fix. First, go ahead and swipe up and force close the eFootball app completely from your recent apps. Now, go to your settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and check your free space. Since eFootball downloads a large amount of players, kit, and stadium data and it crashes on launch when there isn't enough storage room for it to load. Free up room by offloading a few unused apps and if storage is tight. If storage looks fine and if it's still crashing, then press and hold on the football icon on your home screen, tap on DD tab, then tap delete to reinstall it completely, uninstall it completely, then go to your app store and then search for eFootball, tap on it and tap get to reinstall it completely fresh. After reinstalling, go to your settings, go to general, go to software update and install any pending iOS updates since eFootball's own release notes come from crash fixes are applied version over new version. So all you gotta do is check storage, read and reinstall fresh from App Store, update iOS, eFootball opens without crashing and that's it. Subscribe for more eFootball fixes.